Yo guys, what's up? What is hanging? What is Gucci? Make sure to put that down below. And in today's video, look, my tooth hurts. But in today's video, guys, I know this is a weird place to live, but it's my toothpaste in my bathroom, which has a lock on the door, which has a go and lock now. And I'm sat on the toilet, but I'm not actually on it at all. A little heads up. But so, as I was saying, in today's video, we are going to be. Oh my god. That can be a song or something like that. It's Jiren. So, anyway, in today's video, we're going to show you how to make, what was it, blue tack slime. And it's not the normal one, like where you add hand soap into it. Like that's a completely different to what we're making. So you don't need activator, no detergent, nothing, no glue, no nothing. I left mine in the car, which I need. I'll go get it. So I just went and got it here. I added some charms into it. It's like sticky, like actual slime, but it's like activated slime. Like, I can't find them. So, now. You couldn't hear them really. But you want to see them? Okay. Not enough now. I'll be showing you basically. I can't get over the fact that it looks like slime. That could be my activator. For this, doesn't need activator because I have some right here. Oh, is it the side of me? So I'll get the ingredients. First of all, you will need blue tack. Hard, not ripping blue tack. Horrible blue tack. You need to put it on the side, set for 5 minutes. So it's been set for 5 minutes, and you will need to get shampoo and add it in. Oh god, it's cherry flavour. Dip it in and put your shampoo back. You reckon you need that again? That will be our activator, and then mix it into the blue tack. It's a 2 ingredient slime, by the way. Shampoo and blue tack. No, I mean 3 ingredient because blue tack. you added the shampoo and you put it back on the side. Let it set for like 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it in properly. And then you will need to get, you need this one. Some Malibu Kids I recommend. It's on Nickel. Then I will literally this while I just get like a dab of it. There, and then mix it in. And already it's stretchy. But this is operational, this one. I just want to add a sequin. Like, I think it's really pretty. Like, whoop. But, and then, this is operational as well. Thanks. It isn't perfume, it's air pure. Not perfume, air pure. It's going to be hard to mix in, so I'm going to get a spoon. Okay, not a spoon. An end of a toothbrush. Now that's enough, so I move it away and put the spoon that you're going to use away. Get a wipe. Clean your side. Operational, but I want to do that. And then have it at the side here actually. Mix in. Oh damn, that's so cool. Smells good. It's called Air Pure, by the way. I used fruity mandarin, whatever it says. But there, you can super stretchy. And yeah, that's all you need to do. Bye guys.